This short video is going to show you how to submit an assignment in Blackboard and then how to check your grades. I'm here in Blackboard in the course content area, which is where all of your assignments are supposed to be located. I'm also located in a week 2 folder because this professor has organized their content by folders numbered by week. So here is an assignment called Resume, and it's showing you the due date right here in the title of the assignment. You can see in this main view all of the assignment instructions are here and visible, as well as any attachments that the professor has decided to add in order to help the student fulfill the assignment requirements. This professor also has provided a video also designed to help the students know how to complete their assignment. Now, even though all of the instructions are visible here, the assignment itself isn't actually open until you click this link right here that says Resumes Due. That link opens up the actual assignment. Here at the top you can see the due date and time, as well as how many points are possible and the rubric, if any, that the professor is going to use in order to grade this assignment. You can see all of your assignment instructions and the video that you can see on that preview mode, but it's all right here. Now, in order to actually submit your assignment, you're going to scroll down below the instructions. And you'll see some options here about how to submit your assignment. If your assignment is just providing a paragraph or two as a response to a reading or a video, you can use the Write Submission button. It will open up a text editor window and you can type right in here. You'll notice you have the options of using bold and italics and underline, even bullets, numbered and regular, to format all this text. In this case, though, I'm going to submit a resume. This resume is stored on my computer, but the following steps are also the same if you're going to go to the content collection. That means you've saved it in Blackboard somewhere, or browse a cloud storage location like OneDrive or Dropbox. I'm going to click Browse My Computer, and here in my homework folder I'm going to select Student Resume. I just double-clicked it instead of clicking it once and clicking OK. It's just a little bit faster that way. Now, if this particular assignment wanted more than one file attached, like say a resume and a cover letter, I could go through those steps again and attach a second file if I want to. In this situation, though, I just need to attach this single one. Below that is an area for you to make comments. If you need to tell your professor anything about your process with completing this assignment or any challenges that you may have had, you can write a note to them here. No graded work should be put in the comments window. It's just a note for you to let your professor know about anything you want to notify them of. Once you're sure you've got everything attached and that you've done it correctly, I'm going to click Submit. Blackboard will take you over to this confirmation page where, since this is a PDF file, it's not generating a preview for me, but if you're using a Word document, it will produce a preview mode for you. If you want to make sure that it was the right thing that you submitted, you can also download that file again. If for any reason you look at this file name and you're absolutely sure that you didn't do it right, you can click this Start New button if your professor allows you to have a second submission. If you don't see this here and you had a problem, email your professor and ask them if they can change the settings on the assignment so that you can submit another version. I'm going to pause the video right now so that I can go grade this assignment, and then I can show you how to check your grades. Okay, it's been a few days and hopefully our professor has had time to grade our work. So we're going to log back into Blackboard and we're going to go to My Grades, which are located under My Tools. The My Grades area has several buttons here at the top. Usually the first time you go there, it's set to all, which means it's listing all of the assignments that are contained in your course. You can filter down to only look at the graded ones or the submitted ones to find out any notes that your professor has for you. Notice also you have the ability to change how the assignments are sorted. I'm going to click Graded. And yep, sure enough, my professor has graded the resume that I submitted. Over here to the right, I can see I have scored a 98 on this resume, and my professor left a note for me, so I'm going to click the comment bubble. Great, I've got some good positive feedback. If I actually want to take a look at my assignment to see if the professor highlighted anything within that assignment, I'm going to click the title of the assignment right here. Blackboard is going to open up a preview that looks a lot like my confirmation page did. Sometimes professors will use Blackboard tools in order to highlight certain aspects of an assignment and make notes right in the document. You should see those clearly in this preview pane. You have the ability over here to see the feedback from the professor that showed up in that comment bubble. Above that, you can see this button here that will allow you to download that file in case you completed this in the library or on a friend's computer and you want to download a copy to your own. Above that is the final grade for this particular assignment. And this little icon right here will open up the rubric that the professor used in order to arrive at the grade. Not all professors use rubrics, but if they used one, you can access it here. So if you click that button, you can see all of the components that were factored in and how my professor arrived at the score that I got. I'm going to review the information and then click Exit. And that's it. It's that easy. So I hope all of this information has made it easy for you to submit your assignments and then check your grades after submission. Good luck with your semester, and I hope this was helpful.